Just want to give a big shout out to the members really quick. Got the LeBron 7 Christmases and these Jordan 1 Court Purples, bro. These are sick. Both of these are dope. Shout out to both members, man. Energy 810, Sneakerheads in the building. Let's go. You know what to do. If you guys want to go ahead and get a pickup from me, join. Hit that join button next to the subscribe. Let's get back to the video. Maybe like third or fourth stop. We're here at East LA. We've seen these here a long time ago. Now they have them now in size 5.5 though. $69 for these Air Max 90s. I forgot what these were called. Were these the Saturns? I forgot what these are actually called, but these are indeed fire. And they have them here in a smaller size for retail with 30% off, which is dope. They also have this shoe here, which is my first time actually seeing this in person. The KHAKI Low 3 and the New York colorway, bro. I believe like this is the first time I see this in person. Colorway is pretty fuego, bro. From a 1 to 10 scale, the quality and everything, I get a solid 9. Let me know if you guys agree. I wish it was a bigger size. Cop, pass, fire, or trash. Air Max 95s, this bright colorway, Vogue green. This is like a Bayou. 129 on the retail, size 8. Not too bad on these. Let me know your thoughts. These right here are pretty cool too. The colorway is more appealing than the actual shoe. ACG size 7, 79 as opposed to 110 with 30% off. Let me know if this shoe is a fire or trash. I think it's pretty dope though. The color combination for sure is fire. Find these again, these Kyries, the S Brid, Hybrid 2. This colorway is not too bad, bro. We saw this at the other spot a little earlier today. Let me know what you guys think about it. I mean, it is cool. Never tried it on myself, but this is a clean shoe right here, man. From a 1 to 10 score, what do you guys rate this? And where does it stand amongst the other Kyries? Seen these Air Max 90s at certain places. These are pretty clean, actually. Size 10.5 on these. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Yeah, I'm a fan of the colorway. Almost a Phoenix Suns type of vibe, summertime vibe. What do you guys think about this from a 1 to 10 scale? It is retail with 20% off, right? So 140 with 20% off. This is definitely a special edition. Comes with like extra something, I don't know. But the shoe is pretty dope. Let me know what you guys think. Got these Zoom Freaks too. The cream one, size 11 for 120. 120 with 30% off is not bad, but it still should be a little cheaper. What do you guys think about that price point and this shoe? In this colorway of the 270 React, got it for 120. So a size 11 for 120. This colorway is not too bad. Let me know what you guys think down below. So we finally see these at the outlet. I've been waiting and wondering if I would see them. I see a pretty good size run of them from 7.5 all the way up to 11. Let me know what you guys think about these. They are retail for 160, but you might be able to get the 20% off of here. I think that's pretty dope. Then we also have these John Elliott's once again for 89, like we saw at the last spot. Pretty dope. Same size run all the way up to a size 11. I don't see any size 12s. Really, I see 7s, 9s, and 11s here. But these are pretty dope. And then yes, once again, they still have these Kobe's on deck. If you're looking for them, full size run of them too. Still don't see a size 13 in these, but these one day will be in my collection. We saw the triple black colorway at the last location. Now we see a black and white colorway, $79 as opposed to $150. These are fire, bro. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Anybody else a fan of these as much as I am? I think these are fire. On the ladies' side, I see some tailwinds that are pretty dope. This colorway is not too bad. Nothing super impressive. Few sizes in them. Actually, they have a lot of them, as you guys can see. Nothing too crazy over here. Oh, they got them on this model too, huh? The Craters, Waffle Craters, 100 retail, 30% off. This colorway is pretty fire though. Let me know if you guys agree. Yeah, this colorway is pretty sick. I like the design of it and everything, man. From a 1 to 10 score, I give these a solid 8.5. I don't know, man. Let me know what you guys think, ladies and gentlemen alike. Size 7.5, only 100 bucks, bro. Not too bad at all. They have these in a full size run for the grade school and smaller feet. The LeBron 17 Sprite only came out in grade school sizes. We saw these at Footlocker a while ago. Clean shoe, man. I like what they did with this shoe. The Sprite making it only a grade school situation. I don't know if people would have grabbed these if they were adult sizes. what do you guys think about these from a 1 to 10 score? Then they got the Kyrie breads, the Kyrie 6 breads for the little ones. $80, not bad. I think we might have seen them a little cheaper, but these are pretty dope. Don't really recall seeing this colorway of the Air Max 720, but $89 as opposed to the 180. I think that's a great price point. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Pretty good size run of them too. NBA 50% off of this 110 LA Clipper jerseys. Kawhi Leonard. Looks like almost the game worn one. Kind of simple as the one I have with the shorts. Pretty dope. 46 the swingman jerseys. 110 with the 50. Yeah, not too bad. Yeah, Leonard. He's the one that's gonna stay. They're gonna get rid of Paul George, and he's gonna stay. Oh, that's different from this one.
But it's not bad. Look,
and this is different from this. This is screen print that's stitched. What's the retail on this one?
What the hell is Oh, 200.
200. That's a 200 one.
Authentic, yeah.
Find these at Marshall's one day or Ross one day for $30. I know, right? And what's the Laker? Oh, this is the cartoon edition of the Clipper jerseys. Cartoon made them, the tattoo artist. Pretty dope on these.
These are going for 110, I believe. Those are all Kawhi Leonard jerseys.
Stitched and lettering and everything, bro. 270 React for only $99, as well as these for $79, which is pretty dope too. No, the Air Max 2090, pretty dope though. Pretty good size run of them too. $99. Not bad. You had these 0 coupons. These are pretty dope though. The Instinct 2.0s. Size 10 on these. What do you guys think about those in the comment section below?
No coupons on any of these, not for 20% off.
Which one you guys choosing? Out of the two shoes, two from Nike, which are you picking? I stopped by Footlocker really quick just to poke my head inside to see what's going on. $79 on these. Cop pass, fire or trash. Normally $150. These are getting better lighting. Let me know what you guys think about these Air Max Pluses with the gold. I think these are pretty dope. So they got these in the low version, $100. This is a size 12 currently right here in my hand. I think they have a couple other sizes left over, but let me know what you guys think about these. And they also have them in the mid sizes. This definitely looks like a bigger size. This is size 11. Size 11, pretty dope, bro. So they got the mid and the high top version. Actually, the first time I get a chance to do something like this, you guys know I like to compare. I'm gonna call these the off, you know, these are the wannabe Japans or Japan-like Jordan mid and Jordan low. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. If you had a chance to pick which one, the low or the mid, which ones you guys go with. The leather on here looks crazy, looks good, looks really good and plush, especially on a Jordan mid. It don't really get like that. I feel like this won't be here too much longer. $125 on the retail for these, and then these right here are retail for $100. Both of them are clean. If you had an option, which one would you guys pick? Let me know in the comment section below. You guys see what's going on in front of you. 5s, these are all grade school sizes. Boom, of course. But they will have more stuff here for what I've been told. Let me know if you guys are looking for anything in particular. So we're here at another location. You see Kyrie Shutter Shades, $89. These ones for $89 also. The Kyrie Low 3, the glow in the dark first one here for retail, $110, which is fire. PGs over here for, they're $110. I think they're a little cheaper than that. LeBron, $129 on those. Those are pretty fire. They got these for $109, which I hadn't seen in many places. I think that's a dope find. What do you guys think about this Mamba Flurry? A TV colorway, $100 on the retail. This blue is fire though. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm a fan of this. Cop pass, fire or trash on these. Some of these under $100. Cool brought them over to me. We just scooped these up for $119 from the Nike outlet. These are pretty dope, bro. Let me know what you guys think about these. I'm gonna head into Citadel real quick and found some great things on a hash wall. You got the Command Forces and 2 of the Kobe NXT AD FFs, whatever they're called. Serena colorway is really popular. I actually picked one of these up for $120. I'm gonna get these here for a little less than that right now. Let me know what you guys think. This shoe colorway is pretty dope. Not really a big fan of it for myself. Size 9.5 for $130 with 30% off. More pair of Command Forces. Let's go ahead and look down some more and see if we see some stuff. ID right here for the PGs, size 11.5 by Christian. $89 for 30% off because it's on a hash wall. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Super red with a little bit of black hints. I think these are pretty fire. What do you think about these from a 1 to 10 scale, and if you guys will add these to your collection or not? Find these at the outlets again in a bigger size, 11.5 for $79 as opposed to the 150, which we saw at the last place. I think these are pretty clean. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Can I see this? So they have these on deck too. So it's 10 on these. Brand new, bro. These are actually 150 as opposed to the 230 price point. You know that is fire for a phone posit, and they got a pretty good size run of these from size 8 all the way up to size 11.5. Pretty dope. Couple jerseys, but these ones look like they might be like some real ones right here. Is that Jimmy Graham? Stitched in letters, Seahawks? Seahawk Nation, whoever you guys are, stand up. These are crazy looking right here. The quality on them, it's like a different texture, but the stitched in, these are definitely real. $59, bro? That's crazy. Let me know what you guys think about that. Female resellers right here. 2 female resellers killing it right there.
You need help with anything first?
So far just looking around right now. They got resellers here. Come in all shapes and sizes. And she got an ass too. Nike Elite socks. Boom, boom, boom. But the resellers are out in all full force, bro. It just depends on what you're looking for. This pair of shirt is kind of eye-catching. I don't like the texture of it, but it does look pretty dope. $34 as opposed to $40 or whatever. Got the patch on the side. I think these are pretty dope, actually. Let me know what you guys think. Rams fan, but the Rams shirt does look pretty dope. Got the little stitched patch on the side. I think that's pretty fire. You know what I'm saying? And they got this one here too, a sweater. $70 on the retail. Heard and saw about these. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Pretty dope colorway for the ladies. Looks like it might have a lot of ventilation on them. I think these are pretty dope though. These ones also a little bit different. Haven't really seen that before, but these ones are pretty tough. So if you enjoyed that video, I need to know in the comment section below. Smash the like button. Make sure you leave comments. Subscribe to the channel if you happen to be new. And make sure you share the video with your friends and family so they can come on over here and subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and DM me in the comment section or in the IG. Without further ado, man, I'm about to get out of here. Deuces.